Hello, today I'm gonna explain to you how to install your mantle or table clock which you bought maybe on the internet or somewhere else. This is an example of a Dutch table clock and I'll show you one way how to install or correct if something happens during the voyage to your home. First of all, you go with key and look if it's wound up. Not too much. Yeah, this one is okay. Both are okay. One thing you always must take care of is take out the plastic carefully, because over here, see, there's this anchor and a part of the pendulum which must not be shifted, because otherwise it will not run correctly. I made this one already working, so I only have to put on the pendulum and see it runs only by touching it. The level is very horizontal. I straightened it. Explain to you how to correct this, because if you listen, this is quite regular, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. If I do like this, it's irregular, and the same on the other side. What can happen on the way or when your surface is not leveled is that the clock will stop after a while. If he's like this, it will stop after a while. So what's important is that your surface is leveled and that the anchor, I'll explain to you, this is the anchor. This little part is like a fork. Here is a little part in front, but most of the time it's just a fork-wise anchor. And this little spring, on that hangs the pendulum. Sometimes it's one pendulum from here to here. In this case it's in two parts. This one is easy, otherwise you have to put on the whole pendulum. Now I deliberately go and do like this. See, it's now, say during the voyage something went wrong and you are at home and you say, see, irregular, and it stops. That's because the anchor has got some damage or is loose. If I do like this, it won't tick at all. What's important is if you have a surface almost leveled or completely leveled, you go with the anchor, like touch it like this until you find a way where it sounds regular. I'll do it again to the other side. Say during the voyage the anchor is a little bent like this, it will not work. And you come at home and you say, whoa, my clock doesn't work. No problem, just put it a little bit, but gentle, not hard. Just like, see, over here, it's almost regular. I think this one keeps on running. No, it's still a little irregular, so I must say I do this more than once, so in the beginning you have to practice, that's no problem. If you do it gentle, there can be no damage done. And now the clock is running smoothly again. I hope you can fix your clock if you have a problem like this.